In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the service interval on a 2021 Kia Accent. Pretty simple process once you know what you're looking for. You're going to use this menu button right here. When I press that one time, you'll see that it moves the screen until you get to user settings. Once you get to user settings, I'm going to hit the down arrow until I get to service interval. Once I get to service interval, I'll press the OK button. Then at this point, I can do several things. I can enable the service interval, which right now it's enabled. I can adjust the service interval, and I can reset the service interval. I just reset this earlier, but I can do it again just to show you. If I hit OK on reset, it's going to ask if I want to reset it, and yes, I do. So then I'm going to press OK again. If I need to adjust the service interval, this is where maybe you're using a different type of oil or you're not driving it very much, things like that. You can adjust it to miles or months. And then once I'm done making all of the settings that I want to make, I just hit OK to scroll through these. If I wanted to go up to 4 months, I just press OK. Do I want to save my settings? Yes, I do. And now the service interval has been updated and saved. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.